If your skin looks tired and dull, it's time to light up your life, literally, with LED therapy. In LED therapy, specific wavelengths target different skin concerns at the cellular level. Dr. Patrick Treacy, a renowned figure in aesthetic medicine, shares the magic behind these wavelengths. First up, red light, 630 to 700 nanometers. It penetrates the epidermis and dermis, revving up cellular energy and boosting collagen production. This helps reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and inflammation. Want firmer, more elastic skin? Red light's got you covered. Then there's blue light, 405 to 470 nanometers. This one's a bacteria buster, targeting acne-causing Propionibacterium acnes. By reducing breakouts, it evens out skin tone and texture. Say goodbye to acne and hello to clear skin. Lastly, near-infrared light, 700 to 1,200 nanometers. It dives deep, promoting healing and reducing pain and inflammation. Perfect for treating muscle and joint conditions as well as deeper skin issues. From surface-level clarity to deep tissue healing, LED therapy offers a versatile approach to skincare. Ready to transform your skin? Let's light up your beauty routine with LED therapy.